All right, I don't have the lens mounted just right. You're probably still seeing some of the sides of the teleprompter. I'm going to turn this light on, see how that goes. No, come on. Okay. There we go. Now we got them all on. Okay, so I've got the up lights on and the side lights on. I do not have the ring lights on facing me. Teleprompter is aimed down just a little bit. I'm also testing for sound. I have the shotgun mic hanging overhead, wired to the camera, because the remote mic didn't seem to work. I don't know what else to do. We may still have some problems with ambient sound bouncing off stuff. I may have to add some acoustical stuff so that it doesn't rattle so much, but we'll see. I suppose ostensibly I could put a drape behind me. That would probably help a little bit with the noise. And I've got to mess with the teleprompter because it's aimed down just a little too much. But beyond that, I wanted to check and see how the sound is doing. Okay, so the mic is right here. I'm tapping it. Okay. I don't see it hanging in the way. I don't think you can see the cord going down over here and going to the camera. I could probably hook up another male to female connection to do that if I needed to get it further out of the way. But beyond that, I think this may be the setup that I have to do because I can't get anything else to work. All right.